In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social icons to your Squarespace email campaigns, kind of. If you send newsletters with Squarespace email campaigns, adding social icons is a simple way to help readers connect with you on other platforms. While there isn't a built-in social links block in the email editor like there is on site pages, a few easy workarounds give you the same result. Before we start, make sure your Squarespace site is connected to your social profiles, you have an email campaign subscription, and you've got your social URLs handy for Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and any others you use. First, the image-based approach. In your email editor, add an image block and upload a small icon like the Instagram logo. Free SVGs from places like Flaticon or Icons 8 work well. Click the image, choose Add Link, and paste the correct profile URL. Repeat this for each platform so every icon is individually clickable. For a clean look, resize each icon to about 24 to 32 pixels and place them in a single row at the bottom of your email footer. Keep the icon style consistent, either all outline, all filled, or all brand color, in order to maintain a cohesive feel. If you prefer something quicker and more minimal, use text links. Add a text block to your footer and type something like "follow us on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn," then turn each word into a hyperlink to your profiles. Style the text with your brand colors or bolding so it fits the rest of your design. This option is lightweight, fast to build, and very mobile friendly. For the most branded result, design a custom footer banner in Canva. Create a canvas around 600 to 700 pixels wide, add your logo and social icons, and export it as a PNG. Upload that banner as an image block in your email footer. Then add individual links to each icon inside Squarespace. If needed, use image hotspots so every symbol is clickable. This gives you precise control over spacing, balance, and visual polish. A few pro tips as you finish up: add alt text like Instagram icon for accessibility, send test emails because different clients can render images differently, and consider adding UTM tracking to your social links so you can measure clicks in analytics. In short, image icons are visual and clickable, text links are clean and fast, and a custom banner looks premium. Bonus tips: reuse layouts and simply swap colors and fonts for new templates. Offer optional installation as a paid service. Build your list with a free template or guide, and keep your designs on trend with